Kung gusto nyo pong i-record, much better, voice record na lang po. Because I will be calling one of our speakers, one of our sharers, isa po sa mga iniidolo nating entrepreneurs. To voice out more motivating experiences and tips, let us now welcome Mr. Lian Paulo Carvajal. Mr. Lian Paulo Carvajal!
Yes! Lahat ng mga gustong next na mga wardan, tumayo, sumigaw! Wardan, din tumayo, sumigaw! Thank you very much, Sir CJ. Maraming salamat. Pwede po bang palakpakan po natin ang bawat isa? Thank you. Thank you very much. First of all, of course, gusto ko pong batiin ang reason kung ba't po nandito po tayo lahat. Kung bakit po masarap yung buhay po natin at unti-unti po nag-i-improve po yung buhay po natin because of this company. Walang iba po kundi yung chairman po natin, si Pres Luis Sala Nolasco. Palakpakan naman po natin. I think this person deserves a louder round of applause. And of course, isa sa mga Vice President po natin, alright? Palakpakan po natin, walang iba. Of course, si Ma'am Josara Nolasco!
Yes!
All the Vice Presidents, head po ng management, sila Sir Richard, Ma'am Joyce, palakpakan naman po natin guys, who are everyday giving their full-time effort para po matulungan po tayo. Head ng marketing, si Doc Butch, palakpakan po natin. Grabe! Because of the program ni Doc Butch, sino po dito yung mga na-inspire at nabago na po yung buhay? Pwede po bang itaas yung kamay? Sobrang dami, palakpakan naman po natin yun. And of course, my friends, mga closest friends ko po dito sa business po natin, the top leaders, the icons, the disruptors, the multi-millionaires. Palakpakan po natin yung mga grand uplines po ninyo. Guys, grand upline ngayon ang palakpak. Hindi natutulog yung mga yan. Matutulog na lang yan. Iniisip pa nila kung paano mabibili yung next na pangarap mo. They don't deserve that kind of round of applause from you guys. They deserve more! Of course, gusto ko pong pasalamatan my wife who is here. Pwede po ba palakpakan po natin si Dr. Carvajal? My inspiration. My biggest supporter, my biggest critic. Napaka-importanting part po ng success ko, ano po yung narating ko. I wouldn't be here if hindi po dahil po sa buting ko po asawa. Palakpakan po natin siya. Maraming salamat. So para po sa mga hindi nakakilala sa akin, sa likod, okay po ba kayo dyan? Gusto yung iwanan? Talaga? Of course, I hope everybody's listening, no? And my name is Lian. I'm 30 years old. 3.5 years, going 4 years in this company. Ay isa lang po masasabi ko, it's been an amazing, incredible, unbelievable ride. Ano po nangyari po sa buhay ko. Alam ko hindi na po sikreto po yun sa inyong lahat. And I'm not here to tell my success story. I'm here to share something na po pwede po mas lalong magpayaman po sa atin. Okay po ba yun? Yes! I want to share something na po pwede mong baunin kapag umuwi ka sa probinsya mo. Kapag umuwi ka sa pamilya mo, na once tinandaan mo at tumatak sa'yo, definitely it can lead you to one step closer papunta doon sa pangarap mo. Para next time, hindi ka nandiyan sa likod. Para next time, dito ka nakatayo sa harap, ina-awardan. Ang unang mong award sa business na ito. Guys, first of all, today is a recognition day. And I'm proud of all those people na umakyat po dito sa harap, whether they're from my team or they're my crosslines. One way or the other, na-inspire niyo po ako na pagbutihin po sa business each and every time nakikita ko na mas nakakatulong kayo ng mas maraming tao. Look at these people who are in front of us today. Yung mga tao po nasa harap po ninyo, may sash, may award. Di ba? Palakpakan nga po natin sila. Congratulations! And alam mo, once upon a time, I was just like that person na nasa pinakalikod. Nangangarap na one day, umakyat dito sa harap, tumanggap din ng award. And sabi ko, ano bang kailangan gawin para maging successful? Most of the time, na nag-start ako sa business, I was clueless. Hindi ko alam kung paano. But isa lang ang alam ko sa puso ko. Kung nagawa ng marami, I'm very sure, kaya ko rin gawin. And I hope yun yung nararamdaman mo ngayon. I hope hindi inggit. I hope hindi yung inaantok ka. I hope you are still excited. Even if you're sitting sa pinakalikod at hindi kita nakikita ngayon, I hope nagliliyab yung puso mo. Because success always starts from the heart, from within. If you cannot feel that one day you will be here, you will never be here. It needs to start within you. Hindi ka nakikita, you are recognized. But guys, the mere fact lang na only 1,000 people were invited here. At isa ka sa mga nakapunta, I'm very sure there's a clear path ahead of you papunta po sa success. Doon pa lang, congratulations. Yung makuha mo pa lang yung tiwala ng upline mo, na tingin niya, deserve mo na magkaroon ng ticket papunta sa event na to, doon pa lang, congratulations. Kasi bakit? Doon pa lang, napansin na ng mentor mo, ng upline mo, yung efforts na binubuhos mo dito sa negosyo na to. I'm proud of you guys. Even if hindi ko kayo kilala, personally, I'm proud of you. And one day, I'm very sure you're going to go up dito sa stage na to at magsasalita ka and you're going to inspire a lot of people. Those people who were recognized, okay lang po ba tumayo yung mga na-recognize mo? Okay lang po? Yan. Tayo lang po kayo. Those people who were recognized, guys, pinapalakpakan, hinahangaan. But let me tell you one thing. They are the people with the biggest sacrifice in this room. Palakpakan niyo po sila. Thank you po. Ubulo po kayo. Bakit ko po nasabi po yan? Bakit ko po nasabi yan? One time, I listened to a video. Ang sabi po ng video, life is full of ups and downs. Narinig niyo na po ba yun? Yes. Totoo ba yun? Yes. Para sa akin, hindi ako naniniwala doon eh. Because life is not full of ups and downs. Life is full of down, and hoping one day maging up. Yun ang buhay. Mas maraming moments na down, parang PlayStation, down, and hoping that one day, you will reach yung point na magiging up before you give up. Dalawa lang yan. It's either you reach up or you give up. And a lot of these people na nasa harap ninyo na may sash, na may award, those are the people na pinakamaraming down na pinagdaanan. And you only recognize them when the moment na dumating sa buhay nila na nandito na sila sa up. But guys, give credit to them. Because you will not be here and you will not attain your success o yung kinikita mo ngayon kung yung mga tao na to ay nag-give up even before they went up to this stage na to. Appreciate them, love them. Kung binigyan sila ng recognition ng N-word, you as a downline, give them recognition as well. You as a team member, distributor, give them recognition. Mahalin mo sila. Because a lot of people pray for a great upline. Pray for a mentor na inspiring. Pray for a mentor na tutulungan ka at hindi ka susukuan. And these people na may sash na to, they didn't make it here dahil mayaman sila. They made it here because they made the biggest sacrifice sa buong kwarto po na ito. Congratulations po sa inyo, mga uplines. But always remember, and I told you a while ago, maraming down. Do you agree maraming down sa buhay? Yes. Sobrang daming down, do you agree? Yes. Yung hindi nag-yes, hindi ka humahataw. Kaya madali sa'yo. Alright? But the point is, sa buhay natin, maraming down. But let me tell you this, the greatest lessons in life and the greatest lessons in N-World, in your network marketing business, will come from the moments that you are down. It will not come in the moments that you are winning. It will not come in the moments that you are inspired, motivated. The greatest and truest learnings will come during the times that you feel down. That you feel down. So if you want to succeed, you better be feeling down. You better be going there. Because the greatest lessons in life that you're going to use for you to become successful will come from rock bottom. It will come from there. So, appreciate mo, treasure mo I don't know sa mga nakikinig sa akin ngayon, baka may pinagdadaanan ka. Maybe you're down. Maybe ginawan mo ng paraan just to be here. Because maybe marinig mo yung isang bagay na po pwedeng makapagpalakas ng loob mo. Na po pwedeng magpatibay sa'yo. That is why you are here. I don't know you, but I know a lot of us go through that. Go through hell. Sabi nila sa Tagalog, sa butas ng karayom para lang maging successful. And when you're there, look at the life lessons. Ano bang tinuturo sa akin? Bakit ako nandun sa baba? Ano ba yung pilit na tinuturo sa akin ng N-word ng buhay? Bakit ako nandun sa baba? And we, as an upline, we create strategies, right? We create game plans, right? To help our people. Ako lang ba? To help our people. Do we create game plans? Yes! Yung tipong okay ka na, tsumeki ka na this week, ang laki ng check mo, pero hindi ka pa rin makatulog kasi isip ka ng paraan kung paano mo tutulungan yung member mo na bagong sali lang na hindi magkaresulta. Yan ang upline eh. Yan ang definition ng leader eh. Yung okay ka na, hindi ka pa rin matutulog kasi iniisip mo, paano ba si ganito? 2 taon na kumahata, wala pa din. Ano bang kailangan kong gawin? Ano bang kailangan ko ituro sa kanya? Yan ang upline eh. That's why I told you, we make the biggest sacrifices. And when you're down, and when you're not earning, the biggest lessons, doon mo matututunan. Me, my greatest strategies, my greatest game plan did not come in the moment when I was winning. It came when I was in the moment that I was so down, I felt alone, and I felt like quitting. At doon ko natagpuan yung proseso kung paano yung mamano. So if you are in the process right now, narinig mo na to maraming beses, you have to trust the process. You have to endure. You have to fight it through. In Tagalog, kailangan mong lumaban. Paulit-ulit, laban. Ano ba ito? Gera ba ito? Gera? No. But the greatest fight is not outside. It's not the negative people. It's not the downlines, not the mad na tumitigil. The greatest fight is always within. Nasa sarili mo. And once you learn to conquer yourself, that's the only time that you can conquer others. And that's the time that you can build an organization. Hindi mo ma-motivate sarili mo. You have to find a way to motivate yourself every day so you can motivate other people. And that's the only way. And that's part of our process. Kapatid, pero ako, ang pinakagusto ko is yung purest and sincerest and truest upline. Gusto nyo malaman kung sino yun? Do you wanna know who is the sincerest, purest, and truest upline? Yun yung upline na lumalaban. Yun yung upline na minomotivate ka. Yun yung upline na tinuturuan ka, bumabiyahe pa, pinupuntahan ka, para tulungan ka, pero pag uwi niya, siya mismo, kailangan niya ng tulong.
Tama.
Yung minomotivate ka niya, pero siya mismo, kailangan niya ng motivation.
Correct.
Yung pinapakain ka niya, pero siya mismo, kailangan niya rin ng pagkain.
Tama.
Yung pumating sa'yo sa Bulacan, sa Pampanga, sa Baguio, tama? Dumating dyan, hindi mo alam kung paano nakarating. Apply, nasan yung kotse mo, hindi mo alam, wala na pala siyang panggas. Pero nakarating. That is the truest, purest, and sincerest true upline. Kasi kapatid, madali magbigayin. When you're down, doon mo malalaman kung totoo talaga sinabi ng upline mo na tutulungan kita eh. Kasi madali tumulong kung malaki kinikita mo. Madali tumulong kung madali yung nangyayari sa network mo. Madali tumulong kung ikaw okay. Pero ang totoong upline, those people who went up here on stage, yung iba nagsalita, yung iba natuwayan nyo, pinicturan ninyo, pinalakpakan nyo. They are the truest uplines. You know what? No, you know why? Simply because at the times na down ka, down din sila pero hindi mo alam. At the times na minomotivate ka, they also need motivation. At the times na hindi mo alam gagawin mo, hindi rin nila alam yung gagawin nila. But anything na dumating sa buhay nila, they always show up just for you.
Yes.
Alam mo, nagtito yung upline mo, kumayo ka, sumigaw ka, sabihin mo, I love you, upline!
I love you, Upline!
Hindi mo alam pinagkataanan yan. Nakakita yan, gandang suot, umakyat dito, nagpapapicture. Hindi mo alam kung anong pinagkataanan yan. Akala mo, ikaw lang tumataan dyan. Pero honestly, is yung tumigil kang lumaban. Kasi kami nga lumalaban para sa'yo eh. Kasi nga kami hindi sumusuko, hindi kami tumitigil magdilig. Hanggat makuha mo yung success mo. Hanggat makuha mo kung ano yung narating namin. Kapatid, it doesn't mean that you live in a mansion and you have a Lamborghini. It means you sleep well every night. A lot of nights, I don't sleep well. Bakit? Iniisip ko, si ganito hindi po kumikita. Si ganito, paano ba? At pag ganun yung mentor mo, pag ganun yung upline mo ngayon, nakikita ko sila. Nakatingin sa akin, nakikita ko yung mga mukha nila tumatango. Pag ganun sila, isa lang po sasabihin ko po sa inyo. Wala ka ng karapatan sumuko. Wala kang karapatan sumuko. Kasi kahit hindi na nilalaban pa nila para sa inyo. It's easy. I'm a great leader, sabihin mo. I'm a great upline. I'm a top earner. Ito lang masasabi ko. Madaling mag-motivate ng taong motivated. Madaling kumausap ng downline na kumikita. Pero pag yung upline mo, nandyan pa rin, 2 years na, hindi ka pa rin kumikita, naniniwala pa rin siya sa'yo. O 3 years na, naniniwala pa rin siya sa'yo. Kahit na sobrang bagal mo, nag-quit ka na, bumalik, nandyan pa rin siya. Wala kang karapatan sumuko. Wala kang karapatan sumuko. Kapatid, I don't want to make this long. Pero isa lang po sasabihin ko po sa inyo. One day, you're going to be that great upline. One day. One day. Ngayon, ang iniisip mo lang, paano yung kikitain mo? But one day, you're going to be that great upline. Pero isa lang po ang may advice ko sa iyo for you to become that person. For you to become that leader. Inclusion. I don't want to be misinterpreted o kung baka may misinterpret mo yung sinasabi ko, but it's all about inclusion. A lot of leaders, they focus on building skills, on focusing on the great, yung motivated, yung humahataw, yung leader. But for me, what I learned in networking business, no matter what, kung ano yung ginagawa niya sa business, seller ba siya? Di ba? Repacker ba siya? Gusto lang talaga niya magbenta? Kapatid, inclusion. Don't tell them na hindi ka pwede dito sa grupo na to kasi bakit? Seller ka. Don't tell them that you are a less of a person kasi nagre-repack ka lang tapos nagbebenta ka. Kapatid, I always believe that each and every one of us, no matter what, kung anong ginagawa natin sa business natin, basta tama, legal, moral, ethical, hindi mo ginagawa yung ethics ng company. Diba? Basta tama mo ginagawa yung negosyo, kapatid, you are a part of the puzzle that N-World is creating. You are welcome. Bakit ito sinasabi? N-World taught me lessons. Akala ko noon yung leader lang, o pag hindi ka leader, eh, mamatay ka ng buka. Dumaan din ako sa ganun. Dumaan din ako sa ganung stage. I thought na ang tinutulungan lang is yung sumasabay. Pero isa lang po na-realize ko, N-World was not only built for those people who dream to become multimillionaires. Press built this company together with Ma'am Jo and all the leaders. Not only for those people na gusto magkaroon ng Lamborghini o Ferrari. They built this company even for those people na gusto lang kumita ng 5,000, 8,000, 12,000 every month at masaya na sila para doon. So kung isa ka doon at nandito ka ngayon, ay sa wakas, pwede pala yun. Pwede po yun. You are welcome in N-World. This is a company that we include everybody. As long as you do it right, ama, wala kang tinatapakan tao, hindi ka nag-underprice, pwede ka dito. Kaya palakpakan mo yung sarili mo for that. Lastly, bago ko magtapos, all you have to do is just help everybody. A lot of people, they train leaders, they train millionaires, they use their mind. And sometimes, most of the time, the reason why they fail, yung mayaman na sila, bumalik sa hirap, is because they purely use their mind. Kapatid, learn to use your heart.
Yes.
In this business, it's not just about growing people. It's not just about training millionaires, training super earners. Kapatid, making people stay is also a skill. Hindi ka marunong magpa-training. Hindi ka marunong, wala kang alam sa pag-network. Pero yung puso mo, nandyan para sa mga downline mo, aalis hindi. Di ba hindi? The greatest leaders are not those people who can motivate. Yung mga leaders na, yung mga milyonaryo na. The greatest leaders are those people na may mga downline, 2 years na hindi pa kumikita, pero hindi nag-quit. Yun ang greatest leaders. Don't just focus on growing people. Focus on making people stay. The longer they stay in the fire, one day, aapoy at sisindirin yan. Trust me, when I started, I have no skills. Lahat na may sash, walang skills. But how did they make it? By just making people stay. Hindi mo kailangan maging magaling. Bakit? Magaling na sila, Dok, eh. Stay lang, 3 months, antayin mo silang dumating sa Baguio. Pag dumating sila sa Baguio, sukod! Si Dok na bahala. So, ang skill mo lang, magpa-stay ng tao. And that's a very important skill. Keeping people. And what do you use to keep people? It's not your head. It's always your heart. Sa pagkatapos ko, iwan ko kayo sa magandang message for both leaders and those people na nangangarap ng meron po kami. Yung bahay, yung Lamborghini, yung magandang buhay, yung milyon-milyon every month. Para sa mga nangangarap nun, just always remember this. I did not become successful because of the Lamborghini or the mansion or the lifestyle na meron ako. Hindi ako naging successful dahil doon. People did not join me dahil may Lamborghini ako, dahil may bahay ako. But always remember, the secret to success is not in the Lamborghini. The secret to success is always what's within you, what's inside you. The Lamborghini, the mansion is the product of success. But if you want to be successful, you have to check your heart. You have to check your mind. Are you the servant leader that everybody wants na makasama? Hindi ka magaling mag-motivate, hindi ka magaling magturo. Pero lahat ng tao, lahat ng downlines mo, gustong-gusto kang kasama. That's one sign that you're going to become successful in this business. Wala sa galing. Wala sa galing. So, do not let your results, so may mga kotse na dito. Taas ang kamay. Dami, di ba? Do not let your results define you. Do not let your results define you. Lian is not Lamborghini. Naiinsulto ko pag sinabing naging successful ako dahil may Lamborghini ako. Naging successful ako, why? Because I try to give my heart, my time, and whatever who I am, I invest it to those people na hindi ko kakilala noon. And then they became my business partners, and then they turned into friends, and they became my family. Those people. Palakpakan naman po natin yan. So with that, I go down the stage today. It's an honor to be invited to speak in front of you. And I hope marami po kayong natutunan. Lessons that you can use when you are in the field. Para sa susunod na awarding, come this video rally. Hindi lang po ganyan kadami yung umakyat po dito sa stage. Kundi pati ikaw, hindi ka lang nag-base ng maganda. Kasama ka na rin sa pinipicturan at pinapalampakan dito sa harap. So with that, my name is the Free Mentor. To God be the glory. Maraming salamat po sa inyo.
Yeah!